Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so in math today, what we are doing, we're doing some more hands-on things. Just like in language arts, how we're finding C and R in the things around us. Today in math, we're going to be using the little number papers that your family has made. Now, some of you may not have those. I'm going to make some and pass them out in the next package pickup, which is not going to be until I think the end of March. Okay, so it's going to be a while. So until then, is it the end of March or end of, I can't remember right now. Maybe it's the end of February. No, that would be today. Maybe it's the, anyway, okay, I can't remember. I know we don't have package pickup today or next week. It's going to be after spring break, I think. So anyway, so if you do not have any little pieces of paper with numbers on them, that's what I need you to make at home. It can be little pieces of paper like little sticky notes, post-it notes. It can be on larger papers that you cut. It can be little paper. I just need them to be around the same size. Okay. Now, I have a mixture here, so you can have a mixture and that's perfectly fine, but you need to have two sets, okay? So you can put one in one baggie and one in another, and then your family, if you can help them, we would just want to do groups of 4 to 5 numbers at a time because we're going up to 20, but we want to do like 1 through 5, then 6 through 10, 11 through 15, and then 15 through 20. Okay, so we want to do them in groups like that. Otherwise, it's way too many numbers because you're having two sets and you're looking at them. And today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be matching the numbers. We're going to see if we can match the 1 with the 1, 2 with the 2. Okay, so now mine looks like a hot mess right here because I have them kind of spread out and I know what I'm doing, but it's going to look kind of wonky. So let me see if I can make it look a little better. Okay. I have some other paper that is just kind of mixed in here. Okay. Okay, move this over. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so I have my papers here and I have them spread out. Now I have them in a line instead of like in a row. That just kind of was a little bit easier for me to do that way. That way I can line them up easier that way. So I have 1 through 5. How did that shape get over here? I do not even know. So I have some different size paper, and that's okay. I have some larger ones. I have some smaller ones. And one side has a 0, one doesn't. That's so funny. Okay. And I'm having to make 2 zeros are on the same side. Okay. So now I kind of have it situated a little bit. One side has a 4. One side has 2 4s. Okay, so now I have 0 to 5, 0 to 5. Okay, so then I'm going to match them up. Okay, so I pick up a number and I try to find, and I have to say, what number is this, friends? This is a what? This is a 3. Okay, so can I find the other 3? Let's look down. I'm going to turn it this way. Maybe this will help. Okay, here we go. That's a little crooked. There we go. So where can I find this other 3? Is this a 3? Move it down a little. Is this a 3? No, this is a what? That's a 4. This doesn't match. Is this a 3? Yes, they're both 3s. Okay, put them over here. That's my stack. Okay, next number. What is this? 2. Is this a 2? No, that's a 4. Is this a 2? No, that's a 0. Is this a 2? Yes, that matches. They're both 2s. Next number. What's this? 1. Is this a 1? No, that's a 5. Is this a 1? No, 0. Is this a 1? No, 4. Is this a 1? Yes, both 1s. Next one, what's this? It does look like an oval, but we're doing numbers, so we're not talking about shapes. This is a 0. Is this a 0? No, it's a 4. Is this a 0? Yes, they match. So I have mine on different colored papers. It just makes it a little bit easier. That way I can tell which set goes together when I divide them back up. Okay, so this is what? A 5. Is this a 5? No, this is a 4. Is this a 5? Yes, that goes together. So my last one, 4. Is this a 4? Yes, it matches, it goes together. So we're matching numbers today, okay? So I'm gonna turn it back. Here we go. So we don't have a worksheet that we're doing. We're actually gonna match the numbers. So this is an activity that you're doing at home. You're gonna match 0 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, and then 16 to 20. Okay, so we're matching numbers. You want to keep going all the way to 20. And you know, what do we do 3 times a day? Every day we count to what? 20. 3 times a day. You want to do it with me one time? Okay, here we go. Let's whisper count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Okay. Okay, so you have 2 more times today, sometime during the day, to count to 20. Now remember, you have to do the counting. People can't do it for you, right? Right. Okay. Now, after you've done your counting 3 times today, you've matched your numbers, then I want you to also either use, you have a choice. You can use your Wikki Stix or you can use Play-Doh. But I want you to then take one set of numbers, okay? The Wikki Stix would probably be easier because it doesn't take quite as long to make each number if you use a Wikki Stick. Or you could use a dry erase marker on the dry erase board and do that if you would rather. That's fine with me. But I want you to practice making the numbers, okay? So you've matched the numbers. Now I want you to practice actually making the number, writing it or making it with Wikki Stix. Or you can do Play-Doh if you really want to. Or you can do some Play-Doh, some Wikki Stix, some dry erase. That's fine too, okay? But I want us to practice making the numbers. And same thing again, families, I would do it in small groups and say, okay, let's do these numbers first. And you can mix these up though. You can do, you know, any numbers between 0 to 20 and just pick out 5 and say, okay, and call out a number and say, okay, friend, show me number 4. Can you make a number 4? I don't know how to make a 4. Yes, you can. Try. And they're like, give me a hint. I don't remember. Well, it comes after 3 and before 5. Come right down. Go straight down. You remember? And then you pick it up and you go like that. Like this. You remember? Yeah. Now you know. What number is that? 4. Okay. So we want to practice making our numbers today. Okay? In addition to counting, matching numbers, and we're going to make numbers. So we have some things to do today, but they're fun things. Okay? So stay busy, learn those numbers, do some counting, and do some matching of numbers, and do some making of numbers. Okay, guys, I know you can do it. Send me a video showing me some of the stuff that you've done. Okay, guys, make it a great day. Bye.